going on, guys? JMO here. Today, just going out for a drive in my car. It's my Honda Civic Type S, 1.8 litre GT. It's quite a nice car. It's about 150 brake horsepower. It's all stock at the moment. I just wanted to talk about insurance and my experience with how much it costs me to insure this car. I'm only 19, so obviously insurance is going to be ridiculous, you'd think, for this, but luckily enough I only had to pay $1,500 for my first year, and in October is where my second year no claims comes up. So I've been looking at renewal prices and they're telling me about, anywhere between $1,000 and $1,200 or something like that, which is not bad considering I'm only 19. Next month I turn 20, so again, your age and the amount of time you've been driving and your no claims will bring that down a lot, which is great. My first car, I had a Corsa 1.8, wish it was 1.8, 1.2 litre Corsa, 70 whatever brake horsepower. I got my no claims in that. Luckily didn't crash, didn't have any blips or any issues in that at all. And then I was paying $2,000 a year, and that was with my mum and my dad on the policy. So what I did then is I just went to go compare, found the cheapest quote I could find, because I just bought the Corsa. I just thought, I'm buying it, that's it. Bought the Corsa, and I didn't think about insurance, and I was only 17 at the time. And what I wish I did is call multiple companies, see if they can get my price down, and just kind of go from there, really. But like I say, no matter what, with your first year, it's going to be a really, really stupid price anyway. I mean, I'm still a boy now. I was going to say I was a boy, but I am. Boy, 17, driving a Corsa, which are known to be, they're not fast, so I don't really know why insurance companies make you pay so high for them. Maybe loads of teenagers just racing around like little shits, I don't know. So that was obviously why I had to put on the policy. And at the time, I had both parents, but it was still £2,000. So there's companies like Adrian Flux and stuff like that, and there's so many others. Insure the Box. Can't remember a few others. I'll put them in the description that you can go for. But insurance companies which give you a black box as well, and I probably didn't mention that $2,000 a year I was paying was with a black box, which is absolutely ridiculous. So I think I couldn't even drive it over like 35 in the 30. So that's what insurance is like first year. Second year, I've now bought this car, this Honda Civic, and I paid $1,500 for the first year of that. Which is, it's not bad. That's without a black box. At first, when you go from a car which is like 70 brake horsepower to, it's not a lot, but 150, almost, more than double. It's a bit scary when you put your foot down for the first time. Obviously, you get used to it. And I made that big change, and I'm glad I did that rather than keep the Corsa, because it's fucking Corsa, isn't it? I mean, you look like a complete twat when driving it around. Sorry to all you Corsa drivers, all you first year drivers. But so second year now, $1,500 for insurance isn't that bad. Again, mum and dad on the policy, 25 years plus no claims, each of them. They both have that, which is really good, really helpful. It brings your insurance down by hundreds. You'll be so shocked. So now I've been driving this car a year. I love it a lot. I couldn't unfortunately afford to insure a Type R, otherwise I would have got one. So what I've actually done to the car is I've done a front and rear bumper change. I've done a front grille change. I haven't straight piped or anything like that. But I've just kind of make it look like a Type R. I mean, it's the only thing to do. It makes it look a lot more stylish as well, and it really suits the colour. I've also got a panoramic roof. I'm not sure if you can see here, but all of these things add up to basically increase your insurance. The size of the wheels that I have are the 19-inch Type R wheels. So again, probably would put up my insurance, but what more can you tell them that? Milano red, really nice colour as well. So long story short, first year, get a little 1.1 litre, just a 1 litre car, or 1.2 litre Corsa or something like that. Corsa, Citroen, get 1 litre Golfs, I'm sure, Nissans, like little KAs, Ford KAs, little cars like that. Get your no claims. Second year, get maybe a nicer car like a Golf. It doesn't have to be the newest Golf in the world. TDI, TSI. If you can afford it, GTI. But again, they're all going to be high on insurance because every boy or little racer's out there just spinning around corners at stupid speeds and then causing everyone else's insurance to go up. Not to say that I don't do that, but we all have to pay the hefty price for that reason. But yeah, so any questions, just leave them in the comments, and anything you've got to say about how much your insurance was and what cars you guys drove for your first and second year, and how long you're going to keep the cars for, whether you lease or not, bought your car outright. In my case, I bought this outright. It was $3.5 grand, I think, and like I say, insurance 1,500, so a $5 grand. But the important thing is that I paid it all outright, and I don't have to worry about any monthly outgoings for it. And I only have had one little crash. I'm not going to say crash, but I was parked in Clapham Junction stupidly in a Tesco car park, and I was in Tesco, and supposedly a car hit my rear wheel arch. I'll probably show you a picture if I can. Hit my rear wheel arch and completely scooped it off. So yeah, luckily I asked Tesco for the CCTV and they provided it to me, and all was well. So I managed to. I'm still waiting for them to get back to me. I have to report it to the DVLA and then have to see what they say, and hopefully they can do something about it. I can't do anything on my no claims though, because I'd rather pay £150 for a rear wheel arch replacement than anything else. So if you then claim on your insurance, then you're pretty fucked, because your insurance is going to go up so high that you won't be able to afford insurance. And that's the whole point of the no claims bonus, is the fact that you haven't claimed, and it will mean hopefully that you do not claim in the future as well. So anyway, tell me what you thought of the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and let us know.